Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what number is represented as 80 million plus 6 million plus 40,000 plus 400,000 plus 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 2. Okay. Now to represent the given number, firstly, here we have given that 80 million. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus here 6 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 400,000. Okay. Plus here it is 40,000. 1, 2, 3. Plus 4,000. Plus 700. Plus 10. Plus 2. Now add all this. Here 2, then 1, 7, 4, 4, 4, 6, 8. Hence, the number will be, the required number be 86,444,712. So our correct option is option C.